We are getting a kitten today, and I'm so excited. Yeah, Cuddles, are you excited too? Here, let me take this into my fans. Say hi, Cuddles. And its name is Charlie. And my mom takes that name out. Hi, Abel. And yeah, I'm so excited. And we're getting it at 2 o'clock, and it's $50. My grandma's getting 2, and we're getting 1. And I'm so excited. Yeah. It's so exciting to have a kitten again. What, Abel, you want a popsicle? Hold on, guys. Not red, not orange. Okay, come on. Okay, yeah. Wait, why is that moving? Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm so excited. Yeah. Why is that moving? Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I'm so excited. Come here, Abel. Come here. You wanna say hi? Oh, no? Okay, well, anyway, that's my baby brother. Yeah, and I'm so excited to get the kitten. We're getting it at 2:30 or 2 o'clock. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So, bye!